This is obviously the fastest method to fund your account as long as Deriv is concerned. Over the years when I started Forex trading, funding of account and withdrawal of account has always been a problem. Sometimes contacting payment agents is not really that easy. Sometimes it's risky when contacting a payment agent. I've had a case where a payment agent refused to fund or refused to pay me, so it's always been a problem. The worst of it all is waiting for a payment agent to pay you at his time or to fund you at his own pace or at his own exchange rate. So today I have discovered the fastest method in which you can actually use to deposit and withdraw your funds from the Deriv website. Welcome to the large family of UJ Forex Academy, where we build resilience traders. "18 years ago, it was so easy to use your card to deposit money on the Deriv website. Then their name was binary.com. But if you're in Nigeria, you can no longer use your card to deposit. But if you are on the rest of the world, you can still use your card to deposit on your Deriv website. Deriv is the only trading platform that offer you instant withdrawal after you have made your profit. You can literally go over to a car stand and click on withdrawal, and in less than 1 hour your money should be in your bank account. The most common funding or withdrawal method right now in Deriv.com is the payment agent, the use of the payment agent. It's easy, it's simple, but sometimes not safe to use the payment agent if you're just starting up with Deriv. Not safe to use, I mean here, is that Deriv does not take responsibility of whatever happens to your money. So without wasting much of your time, let me now introduce you to the fastest method to fund or withdraw your money in Deriv.com. First, you need to click on the cashier level, click on the deposits, and then come over to this place and select the Nigerian bank transfer. If you are in Nigeria, you can also select any other one that suits the country you are in. Now put in the amount in Naira and it will show you exactly the amount you will be depositing in dollar. So I typed in 75,000 Naira and showed me $47.46. That is what my 75,000 Naira will give me if I fund it. So I was brought to this interface. I just needed to click on continue, and then it showed me loading. This funding method is by far the fastest funding method. Let me give you a disclaimer: never you use a third-party account to pay into this account. If not, your fund will be lost. So I selected pay with bank transfer, and then it brought out the amount. I just needed to click on I understand these instructions, click on continue. an account was brought out for me, which I had to copy it, then head over to my bank account that carries my name, the same name I use in opening this trading account, to make a transfer of exactly 74,000. Another disclaimer: don't save this account for another use. Each transaction, each account. After a successful payment, I needed to wait 3 to 5 minutes for it to refresh. I went back to the website and then I got an approved message. Approved. This is obviously the fastest method to fund your account as long as Deriv is concerned. One of the benefits of using this method to fund your account or to withdraw your money is that the rate is fair enough. If you are withdrawing, the rate is high. If you're funding, the rate is little. So it is by far the fastest method of funding your account. So I hope you're happy now. You can be on a trade and then you top up your account. Topping up is made easy now with this method. So guys, if you find value in this video, ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.